Okay guys, so it's very exciting. I'm in a weird environment right now, and I have really something special to tell you. So I am going to Korea. Oh my gosh, oh jeez. I know, it's very stressful. Please, I wanted to do this for my first vlog. Probably know me, Nico Kresge from the Ant House.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to get your
channel. Okay, sorry. Just
I was bending over to get some.
just a fellow passenger. It's alright. Don't worry. Everyone's welcome on this new channel. Okay, sorry for the incident. So, I wanted to do this because I wanted to show what I do in my daily life. And yes, it's going to be daily. Not like the end videos that I have to edit like for like a month and then post it on YouTube. Plus, I've been very busy. I've been stressed out because of the exams. Final exams are over for those of you who are my classmates. And also, I will be continuing the Ant channel in Korea because last year I caught like 10 queens when I was in Korea. It's going to be very exciting, so I hope you enjoy it. Now, I'm just going to take a nap. Okay, and I will see you. Oh, it leaked. It leaked. Nom nom nom. I see things are about to take off. That's my mom. She's really... I think she heard me. Okay. She's acting like home on the bus. She's snoring already. Okay, say hi. Guys, we're about to take off. Okay, I switched through this. It's getting bumpy. 3, 2, 1. We have takeoff. Gosh, look at the little cars. in this weird angle. We are starting to land. We have touchdown. Guys, so while we're trying to get a flight from Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas to Narita, Japan, we got stuck in the terminal. Yes, we literally got stuck. Just ask my mom over there, although she's in a crabby mood. Yeah, looks like we're gonna be stuck here for a long time. There's no seat. Ay, ay, ay. Guys, we have official takeoff. I'm facing backwards. Couldn't fasten the seatbelt tighter. And after this flight, we're gonna take another flight to Seoul. Well, actually, it's Incheon Airport. For some reason. Well, we're landing in Japan, and then we're taking a flight to Incheon. We rescheduled it because the flight was kind of full by the time we got to the airport, so yeah, that's what happened. Guys, we're starting to land. Yes, that's my yawning face. Sorry guys, this is really embarrassing. My mom's bag didn't come, and it has all our clothes in it. I know it's very frustrating. If that ever happened to you, leave it in the comment section. Just tell a funny story or something. I'll read it. Maybe I'll reply. Guys, we're stuck at the airport. We're actually sleeping here overnight. Kind of like the guy who got stuck in the airport terminal for 18 years. What? Which is unbelievable, but still, it's alright. It was alright for him. He finally came home last year. And we're just gonna sleep around this area next to Tolly's Coffee until our flight to Seoul comes tomorrow. It's crazy. Okay, guys, so we managed to book a room at Narita Tobu Airport Hotel. Okay guys, so we finally got a ticket to Korea because we had to stay at the hotel for a bit, and we're just about ready to board. My mom's looking around and we'll be on the flight soon. So, and we are here. Okay, it's in the airplane. Guys, so we're here in the airplane and it smells of rose perfume and freshly cooked ramen noodles. Okay, so guys, I'm here in the apartment I'm staying in, and I want you to meet someone very, very special. They are... Don't even think about it, you naughty kids. I'm not even showing it to you until the next episode. Yes, there will be a dramatic cliffhanger in every episode. I'm serious. Okay. Alright guys, that's the end for today's video. Remember to like, comment, share, and smash that subscribe button. I'll be uploading a new video every single day, if I can. If I don't, I'm not dead, don't worry. I'll also be sending notices here if I don't upload. Do not worry, I'll also be uploading on my other YouTube channel called The Ant House, where I can show videos about my ants and other pets. I'll also try to start some other channels if I can. I'm not really totally sure on that, so just leave your suggestions in the comment section below again. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below again. I'll also do some Q&A if you want to. Remember, new video every day. So hit that notification bell too, and if you want to get notified about new videos. I'll try to upload every day at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but it's gonna be really confusing for me because currently I'm in Korea and I'll do most of my vlogs in foreign countries. So if I upload off time, don't be worried. I'm not dead. Of course not. And for those of you in my school, I hope you have a great summer vacation, and some other students that may have some summer vacation fun at their home or in any other country. So for now, this is Nico Kresge from the Ant House signing out. Well, and Vlogging Adventures with Nico Kresge signing out. Bye bye.